In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer crypto from Binance to Trustwallet. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you are wanting to transfer crypto from Binance to Trustwallet, this is actually a super simple thing to do, and the first thing you will need to do is obviously head over to Binance.com and log into your account. Once you have logged into your account, you will need to come over to your account little icon here in the top right hand corner. And then you will need to select Dashboard. Once you select Dashboard, you will be brought over to this page here once it loads up. And then once you are on this page, what you can do is simply go to Wallet. And then you will need to select Fiat and Spot. Select Fiat and Spot, and then you will be brought over to this section. And this is where you will see all the available cryptocurrencies you can transfer and things like that. So if I scroll down a little bit here, you will see an option for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and for example in this tutorial, if I wanted to transfer Bitcoin, what I would do is I would find Bitcoin here on the list, and then I would come over to the right hand side and then I would select Withdraw. Once I select Withdraw, I will be brought over to this page here, and this is where you will need to go ahead and head over to your Trustwallet app on your mobile phone. And as you can see, I am on Trustwallet here, and what you need to do on Trustwallet is select Bitcoin. Once you select Bitcoin, and as you can see here, I have a couple of options, and you will need to select Receive. Once you select Receive, you will get a code that you can scan, or you can enter in this little code below it. So what you'll need to do is you will need to copy that code and paste it in on Binance if you don't scan the code. And you will need to enter it in here on the address bar. And then as you can see on Binance here, I have pasted the code into this address bar here. And if it is correct, it will say wallet address automatically matched to corresponding network. And then all you need to do from here is simply go down and enter in the amount. So for example, you would go ahead and put in 1 Bitcoin. What you need to do then is simply click on the yellow withdraw button. And if you have enough funds in your account to withdraw, what that will do is it will transfer that over to your Trustwallet account. But please keep in mind with the commissions and the fees, so make sure you read up on that before withdrawing any Bitcoin into your Trustwallet account. So that's how you can go ahead and transfer crypto from Binance to Trustwallet.